Hello everyone, I'm here to explain about Bessel's graphical solution, which is also called as three-point problem. This exercise we take up in plane table surveying, and this is done in order to have a proper orientation of plane table before starting a day's work. Now coming to why three-point problem and why Bessel's graphical solution, before that let us answer the first question, which is orientation. This concept of orientation is carried out because we need to set up the plane table. Assume you have carried out a day's work and you are supposed to close the day's work for some reason, say it is the end of the day or some rain or other obstruction. You are supposed to end the day's work, and the very next day you come back and start from the point where you had actually ended the day's work, but you do not know where exactly you had placed your plane table. So this orientation is done to carry out the exercise such that your plane table is oriented towards your previous day's work. How do we carry it out? Is there are n number of ways in which we carry it out, but one of the best way is Bessel's graphical solution, which is also called as three-point problem. Why do we call it as three-point problem is, before ending a day's work, we will end it up with the help of last 3 points, which will be taken as point of reference for next day's work. So let me say I end up a day's work with point A over here, point B over here, and point C over here on the field. So at the end of the day's work, I have ended up with point A, B, C. And let us imagine the same points are as shown in the sketch over here. Points A, points B, and point C. Now, after coming back the next day, I'll place my plane table at this point called as point P. I'm supposed to locate this point P on my drawing sheet of paper. Assume this is the drawing sheet which has been used for previous day's work. I'll set up the drawing board on point P and do all the necessary adjustments. After doing all the necessary adjustments, unclamp the drawing board and set your alidade on BA, small b, small a, and cite capital A. That is to say, if I point B is over here, point A is over here, keep your alidade on BA and rotate the drawing board until you cite point A on the field. The moment you cite point A, clamp the drawing board, and then after you cite point A, clamp it. Then keep the alidade oriented on point B and cite capital B. The moment you cite capital B, draw a line XY along the line. Say if this is point B and here is point B, you have already cited capital A. Draw a line XY in this manner. This line is called as XY. The line XY is drawn in this manner. After drawing the line XY, now unclamp the drawing board. Now place the alidade on BA. So instead of BA, now AB, and cite point B. Cite point B. The moment you cite point B, we are supposed to clamp the drawing board. That is, unclamp the drawing board, keep the alidade on AB and rotate the drawing board until we cite point B. The moment point B is cited, clamp the drawing board. After clamping it, keep the alidade on point B, cite point C, and draw a line or a point P dash on the drawing sheet of paper. After locating point P dash, sorry, this point should be C dash. Instead of P dash, it should be C dash. After locating point C dash, unclamp the drawing board. Now keep the alidade on C dash C and cite capital C and then clamp the drawing board. That is, keep the alidade on C dash C, rotate the drawing board until you cite point C. The moment you cite point C, clamp the drawing board. Now, after citing all the points A, B and C, the location of point P would have been exactly, or the table would be oriented exactly with respect to these 3 points on the ground, with respect to these 3 points on the drawing sheet of paper. Now, if you orient the alidade on point B and cite capital B, draw a line in that manner that gets extended to a point. Keep the alidade on point A, cite capital A and draw a line that gets extended to a point. Keep the alidade on point C, cite capital C and draw a line. All these 3 lines will come and join to a point called as small p, which is nothing but the position where exactly the drawing board has been situated. So, this exercise, the main aim of this exercise was to locate the current position with respect to previous day's work. So now, by doing this exercise, I have located the current position on the drawing board and oriented the existing drawing board with respect to the existing 3 points with respect to previous day's work. Now, if all the 3 lines come and coincide to a single point, whatever exercise we have carried out is correct. If at all there is any error, all the lines extending from point A, point B and point C, imagine the A line comes over here, B lines comes over here and C line comes over here. That means there is a small error. This error is called as closing error. If not, all the 3 lines would come and join at this point, which is nothing but point P. I hope you have understood the concept of orientation using 3-point problem. Thank you.